but it can be really slow. It's like reading a book by looking through a toilet paper tube. You get there eventually, but it would take forever. YOLO's approach is completely different and much more efficient. Instead of scanning the image piece by piece, it looks at the entire image just one time. It divides the image into a grid system, and for each cell in that grid, it tries to predict two things simultaneously: what objects are in that cell and where their bounding boxes are. A bounding box is just the rectangle drawn around a detected object. Because it does all of this in a single pass, YOLO is ridiculously fast. It's so fast, in fact, that it can perform real-time object detection on live video streams, which is a total game changer for a lot of technologies. This speed is what makes YOLO perfect for applications like self-driving cars. A car's AI needs to understand its surroundings instantly. It can't afford to take a few seconds to figure out if that shape up ahead is a pedestrian, a bicycle, or a plastic bag blowing in the wind. It needs to see the person, draw a box around them, and track their movement in a fraction of a second to make a safe driving decision. YOLO provides that capability. It can identify multiple objects, cars, traffic lights, signs, people, all in the same frame, and update their positions 30 times a second or more. So while a CNN might be the part of the system that was trained to know what a pedestrian looks like in general, YOLO is the algorithm that takes that knowledge and applies it to a chaotic moving scene in real time. It's the difference between knowing the definition of a word and being able to pick it out instantly in a fast-flowing conversation. This ability to see and classify on the fly is what separates YOLO from other methods. It's not just about accuracy, it's about delivering that accuracy at a speed that matches the real world. That's why it's such a breakthrough. So we have CNNs that are great at identifying what something is, and YOLO, which is great at finding where it is and doing it fast. Both are classic examples of non-generative AI. Notice that neither of them is creating a new image of a car or a person. They aren't generating content. They are analyzing existing visual data and providing labels, locations, and classifications. They are interpreters of the world, not creators of new ones. This type of analytical AI forms the backbone of countless features that make our modern lives safer, more convenient, and more efficient. The importance of this technology really can't be overstated, because it's everywhere. When you use your phone's camera to scan a QR code, that's non-generative AI at work, recognizing the pattern and extracting the information. When a doctor uses software to help spot anomalies in a medical scan, like an MRI or an X-ray, that's often a CNN-based system that has been trained to see patterns the human eye might miss. It's an expert assistant, providing a second opinion based on vast amounts of data. This tech works behind the scenes, making complex tasks simpler and human efforts more effective. Think about your daily routine. Automated checkout systems at the grocery store use computer vision to identify the items you place on the tray. Security cameras can automatically detect and alert someone to unusual activity, distinguishing between a stray cat and a person trying to climb a fence. Even social media platforms use this tech to automatically tag your friends in photos or to filter out inappropriate content before it ever reaches your feed. These systems are constantly analyzing pixels, making judgments, and taking action, all without creating a single new piece of data. Ultimately, while generative AI captures our imagination with its creative potential, non-generative AI is what's quietly revolutionizing our reality. It provides the intelligence that allows our devices to see and understand the world in a practical way. It's what enables a self-driving car to navigate a busy intersection, what helps a farmer monitor crop health from a drone, and what allows your smartphone to organize your photo library effortlessly. It's the silent analytical engine that's already here, making our world a little bit smarter, one frame at a time. It's not just cool tech, it's fundamental.